Hey everyone, this is Famtam and now I'm going to show you how to use the self timer in a Canon DSLR camera. So let's first turn on the camera. Now tap this menu button here on the left corner. So you tap on the first option, which is shooting settings. Now tap on the drive mode, and here this is the one for self timer. This is self timer 10 seconds. This is self timer 2 seconds. So let me try this one and press set. Go back to menu, press the menu button here again. Now press this live view button here. Now let's take a photo. Turn on the flash and press the shutter button here. And as you can see, there's a light beeping here, and it will wait for 10 seconds till it get the shot. As you can see, this is it. So thank you guys. If this video was helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you next time.